We do have live team coverage of the coronavirus pandemic. We begin with News 4's Alexis Soto. She just spoke with the head of the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force.
Claire, that's right. Today, the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force has released some new and startling numbers that show that the Black communities in our area are disproportionately impacted by COVID-19. Take a look. These were the numbers released today, saying that the task force found that African Americans are 4 times as likely to test positive for COVID-19 and 2.5 times as likely to be hospitalized due to the virus.
Things such as poor access to health care, chronic medical conditions, poor access to food, dense living populations, all of those things can contribute to a higher positivity rate. And then there's a couple of other interesting pieces of data that I've spoken with some other people about, and that is where people go to work as well. And so there's a higher percentage of people within the Black community that were deemed essential workers and that have a lot of contact with other people, and so that could contribute as well.
So Dr. Garza says the short-term solutions to this are, of course, increasing access to testing and access to PPE in those hardest hit communities. The long-term answers to this really are a lot more complicated. Coming up all new at 6 o'clock, we're hearing from the City of St. Louis's health department on some of the things that they have been doing, because this data is what they have seen from the beginning of all this. Reporting live, Alexis Soto, News 4.